This kind of question is one of the most important kind of question based on the Heron's formula. Hey champs, welcome back to Math Learning Studio. I hope you are liking my videos and जितने भी मैं concepts आपको समझा रहा हूँ, you are getting a very good clarity about it. If yes, please like and share all the videos and subscribe to my channel. Also, support and promote the channel and share the link with all other students of your class, of your school and in your relatives as well. Alright, thanks a lot for that. Now, we will understand how do we apply the Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilateral today. In the previous two videos of Heron's formula, we introduced the Heron's formula and then we took on a variety of questions based on direct application. You can say directly when we have a triangle. Today, we will extend to a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral में sides given होंगी अपने को. So suppose this is 6, 7, 12 and 15. Okay. We have to apply the Heron's formula in this. Now, some students do it in a wrong way. इस क्वेश्चन में देखो, हमको पता है Heron's formula is for a triangle only. एक ट्राइंगल के लिए होता है. ट्राइंगल में 3 साइड्स हैं, तो बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं? सर क्वाड्रिलेटरल में 4 साइड्स हैं, तो लगा देंगे सेम फॉर्मूला. कैसे? s minus a, s minus b, s minus c और s minus d. सर फोर्थ साइड भी ले लो. That is wrong. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. Because Heron's formula is only for a triangle, not for a quadrilateral. Okay? So what can we do here? How can we find the area? Well, इसके लिए what do? We draw a diagonal. ठीक है? And we need the length of this diagonal. Now sometimes the length of this diagonal is already given to us. Sometimes we have to find it. So suppose here I take the diagonal's length as 9 centimeters. Okay? It is given here. Now what we got? We got two triangles. So we have a triangle ABD with the sides 12, 15 and 9. We can find the area using Heron's formula. We got another triangle BCD with the sides at 6, 7 and 9. We can find that area. We got those two areas. We add them. We get the area of the complete quadrilateral. That's it. So this is a direct application or direct use of the Heron's formula in a quadrilateral. What do we need? We need the 4 sides and we need the diagonal. Any one diagonal, maybe this or it may be AC diagonal as well. We need the length. So now let us solve it. So हम पहले ABD triangle के बारे में बात करेंगे. So we'll write perimeter of triangle ABD will be equal to what? 15 plus 9 plus 12. It comes to be 36. So semi perimeter क्या हो जाएगा भाई? 18. So ABD के लिए we got perimeter and semi perimeter. Same way BCD triangle. For triangle BCD, we again find the perimeter first. It will be 6 plus 7 plus 9, it is 22 centimeters. Okay. And semi perimeter will be half of it, that is 11 centimeters. So we got for both the triangles, we got semi perimeters. Right. Now we apply the Heron's formula. So we'll write area of triangle ABD. This is small symbol. Yeah, you can say smaller way of writing the area of a triangle. It is AR stands for area, triangle symbol and the name, right? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is what? 18. So we'll write 18 multiplied by 18 minus 5, 15, 3 multiplied by 18 minus 9 is 9 multiplied by 18 minus 12 is 6. Alright, factorize them. This can be 2 into 9. We have a 9 here. So काम चल जाएगा. So this will be 2 into 9 multiplied by 3 as it is. 9 I am leaving it as it is because I know there is already a 9 there. And then 6 can be as 2 into 3. What do we got? We got pairs. 2, 2, 3, 3 and 9 and 9. So 1 is 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 9 comes out and square root completely found. है ना? पूरा because हर एक नंबर का पेयर बने कुछ भी नहीं बचा था. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 9 is 54 centimeters square. ये किसका एरिया आया? ABD का. Now to find the area of BCD, we apply the same rule. ठीक है? So area of triangle BCD Pause the video, find out at your own. I'll write directly this answer, and then I will write directly the answer or the area of this quadrilateral. So do some homework and find out this area. So this will be the areas. First, for triangle BCD, we will get the area as 2 under the root 2 into root 110. We cannot find the root of this. Okay? So 2 in the root 110 centimeter square is the area for that triangle. So we add these two areas to get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So we add these two areas and that's the answer. See, यहाँ पर again I tell you one error some students make or some mistakes they make. 54 plus 2 कर देते हैं. Wrong. क्यों? 2 is multiplied with root 110. So BODMAS rule. BODMAS says what? First we multiply, then we add. So we have to multiply this first, and this cannot be multiplied directly. It is already in the multiplication operation, right? So this only remains the answer for this trial, for this question. अगर आपको 110 under the root की value given है, put the value, apply, find out, done, हो जाएगा. Otherwise, this many centimeter square is the area. Alright? So, simple example, direct सब कुछ given था. Now, we'll take on one more example जहां पर direct given नहीं होता. Then, let us find out. In the second example, we have again a quadrilateral. Okay, let me name it as ABCD once again. Okay, and we are given just the 4 sides of this quadrilateral. We do not know the diagonal. It's not given. But there is one extra information given, and this information is that the angle A is 90 degrees. Right? This will help us. How? देखिए, if I draw this diagonal BD, what do I get this as? It's a right angle triangle. And whenever we have a right angle triangle, there is one concept जो हमेशा बीच में आ जाता है. Yes, I am there. मेरा यूज करो. What is that? Yes, that is the Pythagoras theorem. Yes. Whenever we have a right angle triangle, and अगर हम sides की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं से पक्का आ जाती है. ठीक है? So Pythagoras theorem, because see भाई, we have the side AD, we have the side AB, legs. These two are called the legs of the right angle triangle, जिसको हम normally perpendicular and base भी बोल सकते हैं. So we have these two sides. We do not know the hypotenuse, the longest side. We can find it using the Pythagoras theorem. So we'll write by Pythagoras theorem in which triangle? We are talking about ABD. In this triangle, we can find the length of BD. I am writing it directly. You can pause the video and find out your answer at your own. So it will be 10 centimeters. Yes, this will be 10 centimeters. Okay, let me write in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Okay, and now what? We have to find these two areas, add them, get the answer. That's it. Now, यहाँ पर एक और आसान काम हो गया. Look at this triangle ABD. किस टाइप का triangle है? Right angle. So we have a base and we have perpendicular. मतलब height. So area of triangle ABD find करेंगे अगर, we need not to apply the Heron's formula. We can apply half into base into height. Half into base is 8, height is 6. So 2 4s are and 6 4s are 24 centimeter square. एक तो आ गया. Now BCD. I'm sure you got the hint what to do. Pause the video. Find out the area of triangle BCD and of course I'll tell the answer. Got this area? Yes, the area of triangle BCD by applying the Heron's formula will be 8 into root 21. So 8 root 21 centimeter square is the area of the second triangle. To find the area of quadrilateral, we add these two areas. So we'll write area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to what? 24 plus 8 root 21. We can leave it here. Again I say, if the value of root 21 is given in decimals, of course, we can put that value, multiply with 8, and then we can add with 24. That's it. Next, we will take on a very important and a little bit confusing kind of question based on the Heron's formula only. उसकी application है, ठीक है, in finding the area of a trapezium, right? Now you may be thinking कि area of trapezium तो direct formula होता है, yes होता है, but remember one thing, what formula can be applied depends on what is given in the question. So in this particular example, we will not be given what is required in that direct formula. तो कुछ तो अलग करना पड़ेगा भाई, क्या करते हैं? Let us find out. So in this example, we have trapezium. So let us again name it as trapezium A, B, C, D. Okay, and we are given with the four sides. Now see, the area of trapezium formula is what? The area of trapezium is half into what? Sum of the bases, जिसको हम पैरेलल साइड्स बोलते हैं. So base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by the height. So what we need for that? We need B1, B2, means we need the length of these two parallel sides. So these two sides are parallel. We need their length. Okay, we have it. 10 and 25. Height. ये क्या है? We do not know. We do not have this height. Then we cannot apply this formula directly. तो कुछ और करना पड़ेगा. We have to first find out this height here. Well, उसके लिए we have to apply or we have to make some constructions. कुछ अलग से कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा. And that construction is, हम क्या करते हैं, पॉइंट C से AD के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So it will be something like this. So we can see now that this line segment is parallel to this. और यहां पर आके मीट कर रहा है. So let us take this point as point P. Okay. So DC is parallel to AB and ये हमने क्या किया, हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिया अपनी तरफ से. Do we get a new shape? Yes. We can see this particular quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. Only this much, this smaller one, that is APCD. Right? So if it's a parallelogram, what is the property of the sides of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. Yes, this is 10. So this AP should be 10. If this much is 10, PB कितना बचेगा भाई? This complete was 25. A से लेकर B तक. So this is 10. This remains 15. Right? Similarly, this AD is 13. So CP will be 13. So this becomes 13 centimeter. I hope यहां तक क्वेश्चन क्लियर हुआ. क्या किया हमने? एक कंस्ट्रक्शन की है पैरेलल टू दिस साइड, उससे एक पैरेललोग्राम बन गया एंड वी अप्लाइड द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. अब वी हैव टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन दिस. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अ ट्रायंगल जिसकी तीनों साइड्स गिवन है. एंड क्या करेंगे? वी अप्लाई द हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड दिस एरिया. उससे क्या होगा? सी, अगर हमारे पास एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BCD आ जाता है, आ गया अगर, नाउ कैन यू ड्रॉप अ परपेंडिकुलर हियर? दिस बिकम्स अ परपेंडिकुलर, है ना? हाइट. एंड दिस हाइट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर दिस ट्रायंगल, इट इज फॉर द कंप्लीट ट्रेपेजियम, है ना? वही तो मिसिंग था. सो वो हाइट मिल जाएगी. अब वो हाइट फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? पहले एरिया फाइंड करते हैं एंड देन, यस, यू मे बी गेटिंग इट, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. इस हाइट को फाइंड करने के लिए इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया का यूज करेंगे हम, बिकॉज हम जानते हैं एरिया का फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. एरिया वी गेट फ्रॉम हियर यूजिंग द हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला. बेस वी हैव दिस वन 15, हाइट हम फाइंड कर लेंगे. राइट? सो दिस इज द ट्रिक और दिस इज द वे, दिस इज स्टेप्स दैट वी फॉलो. क्या? पहले पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ किया, एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाया, उससे एक ट्रायंगल मिल गया, ट्रायंगल की तीनों साइड्स मिल गई. अप्लाई द हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. यूज दैट एरिया टू फाइंड द हाइट. हाइट मिल गई, यूज इट टू फाइंड द एरिया. सिंपल. सिंपल नहीं है, ठीक है, लेंथी प्रोसेस है बट इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो आपको काम करना है थोड़ा सा. 13, 14, and 15 are the sides of this triangle, and you have to apply the Heron's formula to find out this area. Got your answers? It will be 84 centimeter squares. 13, 14, and 15 are the sides. Alright? We get the semi-perimeter first. Apply the Heron's formula. We get this area, 84 centimeter square. Now, this area should be equal to same thing, half into base into height. This implies half into base into height is equal to 84 centimeter square. So, half into what's the base? 15 we can see. Height we do not know, वही तो find करना है, is equals to 84. From here we find the height to be what? 56 by 5 centimeter. First we multiply it by 2, cross multiplication, then divide by 15 and reduce it by simplification, cancellation, we get 56 by 5 as the height. Now again, just to summarize, this height is not only for the triangle, it is for the trapezium. So we got the value of this height. So finally, we can write it here now that area of trapezium is equals to half into base 1 plus base 2. अब हम पूरी parallel sides की बात करेंगे. 10 plus 25, so it will be 35 multiplied by height is 56 by 5. We can cancel them. So 5 7s are and 2 to 28. So it will be 7 8s are 56. 5 7 2s are 14 plus 5 90. So 196 centimeter square is the area of this complete trapezium.